C660 dash cam. I'm really not that impressed by it. Video quality for a $55 dash cam, really not that great. Daytime's not that great. Nighttime, it's starting to get dark now, so when I review this footage, we'll see how it looks. I don't like the button layout. The buttons are on the side. Every time you touch it or try to move it or anything like that, you're freaking accidentally hitting one of the buttons or hitting the emergency record or whatever. I'm really not that impressed by it. It's just annoying to deal with. God, what are you waiting for? There's nothing coming. Why do people block the intersection? Oh yeah, another thing, the mount is very flimsy and it has a tendency to shake. It's a cheap plastic crap, you know. What do you expect?